Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make Roblox in Infinity Craft. So let's begin. So just follow me right through here. Okay. Now we get plant, get tree, get river, we get book and delta. We get alphabet. Next we need to do another alphabet right here. Thesaurus. Get troll, mountain, get dwarf. We need lake. Got three bridges right over here. One dwarf, and then get lake. Combine that, get waterfall. Get mud. Okay, we're almost there. Get ash, then tree, pencil, and we need another dust. Eraser, eraser, then thesaurus over here, nickname, then initials. Next, we need another dust. The planet, okay, water, fire, we got steam, steampunk. And next, we need earth, the robot, we need steam, then another water, the cloud, robocloud, initials over robocloud. And now, boom, we got Roblox. It took a while, but yes, we have successfully crafted Roblox. So I hope you found this video very helpful.